integers, children. Now, before we start this, again you have to remember all that concepts. Plus into plus will be plus, minus into minus it will be plus, minus into plus it will be minus, plus into minus it will be minus. And one more thing, what did I told children? So whenever we have two same sign numbers, what operation we have to do? We have to do the addition. So in the same way, whenever we have two different sign numbers, what we have to do? We have to do subtraction, and after that we have to check which number is big, and that number symbol we have to keep it for answer. Got it, children? Now, with that keeping in mind, we will be starting our subtraction. Of integers. Okay, children? Now, first example. So what we are going to do now is, we'll take few examples which we will be getting it in subtractions, and how to do that, how to get the answer for that, we'll see it here. Okay, children? Now, first example is 7 minus 3. First one is 7 minus 3. So this one generally also we can do it. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Directly we will write it like that. But if we apply this concept also, we can understand it like this. So here we have two different sign numbers. One is plus here and one is minus here. So once we have plus symbol and minus symbol, two different symbols, what operation we have to do? Subtraction. So 7 minus 3 it will be 4. So after writing that, which symbol we have to keep it? We have to check that. So for that, what we have to do? We have to again come near these two numbers and we have to check which is bigger. So which is bigger? 3 is big or 7 is big? Obviously 7 is only bigger. Now for that 7, what symbol we are having it? Plus symbol. So obviously for that answer also, what symbol we will be getting? Plus symbol only we will be getting. So this is one type of example. Okay, children? Now after this, 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3. So now we have to be very careful, children, whenever we get it like this. So what we have to do is that, first thing which we have to do is, we have to simplify this. Sir, how do we simplify? So if you can recollect, in that 4 rules, whenever we will be multiplying minus with minus, what we will be getting it? Minus into minus, what we will be getting it? What we will get, children? Plus. What we will get? Minus into minus, plus. So how much we have it here? So 7 minus into minus, it will become plus 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3. Now it's easy. 7 plus 3 generally also we can do it, which is nothing but 10. And again, if we apply the concept, we have two same sign numbers. This is also plus, that is also plus. Then in that case, what we have to do? Addition. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Now when it comes to symbol, whatever that two numbers are having, it same symbol will come for that. So these two numbers are having plus. So for answer also we will be getting plus. Now next type of example. Minus 7 minus 3. Minus 7 minus 3. So if we can see here, children, we have same sign numbers. So here also minus we have, and here also minus only we have it. So when we have two same sign numbers, what we have to do? Now only we've seen it here. What operation we have to do? We have to add. So add these two numbers. 7 plus 3 is 10. After that, what thing we have to see? What symbol to keep it here? For that, we have to again come near these two numbers, and we have to see which is bigger. Is it that, children? Is it that? Obviously not. So when we do addition symbol, simple thing what we have to do? We have to check what symbol these numbers are having it. So what symbol these numbers are having it? Minus symbol. So for that also, what we will be doing it? Simply we will be keeping minus symbol for that. Okay, children? This is one type of example. So one more type of example. Minus 7 minus 3. Minus 7 minus 3 again. So now, like we've did it again, like we've did it here, children. Again, what we have to do? we have to simplify it first. So which is nothing but minus into minus, what it will become, children? Plus. So minus 7 plus 3, because minus into minus, plus 3. Now if you observe here, children, what do we have? Two different symbol numbers we have. Two different symbols. So here we have minus and here we have plus. Then in that case, what we have to do? We have to perform subtraction. So if we perform subtraction, 7 minus 3, it will be 4. 7 minus 3, it will be 4. Now whenever we've performed subtraction, what we have to do? In order to check what symbol we have to keep it here, we have to again come back to these two numbers. After coming back, we have to check which is the biggest number. So obviously 7 is biggest. Now for that 7, what symbol is there? Minus. So obviously for answer also, what symbol we have to keep? Minus.